Alright, so today I'm going to show you a little bit about my purging script. So because of the way I brew, I want my vessels free of oxygen. So what I did is I set up a script that uses some different elements. So I do have a digital pressure gauge here at the top of the mash tun. Uh, this is for gas pressure or nitrogen pressure. This is for liquid measure and pressure. There's a vacuum pump attached with a solenoid that acts as a blow-off valve. So what the script does is, let me find it here in my millions of scripts right here. And basically what this does, it says if headspace oxygen value less than or equal to 2. Well, here's headspace oxygen. All these vessels go into basically a junction box. That junction box is connected to a O2 sensor that reads oxygen, and it is actually reading the oxygen that's being pulled out of this headspace. So how this works, if it's below 2%, then we're fine. If not, what it's going to do is pressure all the way up to 2.75 psi, turn off, and then start the blow off and vac until the pressure equals 0. So let's see what that looks like. Right now, it turned on a purge valve that is all the way down at the bottom of the vessel, and it is now pressurizing the headspace since this is sealed. You can see that because of the pressure of the gas, it's artificially inflating the liquid volume. And so once this gets to about 2.75 psi, then it should blow off and open this and the vacuum and pull that out, and we should see the headspace over here go down. So we're at 275, and you can see the script just switched, shut off that purge valve, turned on the vacuum, turned on the blow off, and you can see our pressure dropping as well as our volume will start dropping here as well. And here our headspace is dropping. So that's basically how the script's going to work, and it's going to cycle until this number 2 is here, which ensures my vessel has been almost completely purged. 2% oxygen. I could go lower, but I don't know that it makes a difference. But yeah, that's how it works, and it'll just continue this loop, and if it sees a value under 2, it'll just hold. If it doesn't, it's going to continue to purge. So it's a neat little script, and this script actually runs off the main script right here, and when my main script is started, right at the beginning, if I add grain to the mash tun before the brewing session, it actually will start the purge right here. It says if pre-purge state equal true, start purge. Well, I have a switch here that says pre-purge, and basically if I want to add my grains the night before, it'll purge the mash tun and keep it at that oxygen level. But other than that, that's basically it.